As many of you know, I've talked about it before. I have an IPTV subscription, which I have loved using in different formats. But one of the things I wanted to do is be able to record a show and watch it at a later time. And I was just having the most difficult time getting channels DVR to do that for me. And there's a thing out there called XTV, which you can install. And it kind of works as an intermediary, but it was clunky and it wasn't reliable. So I started looking around and I found Emby. That's EMBY at Emby Media, at emby.media. So if you want total control over your media, it's much like channels DVR, but Emby is also a great way to do it. And it doesn't
seems more like Plex than channels.
It is like Plex, but I even tried to get Plex to get my IPTV, and you needed XTV or something in between it. It wouldn't convert it directly, and Emby does. Emby just
I
goes
see.
and
So
grabs it
Emby just is more flexible than the others. Got it.
Yes,
okay.
with the URL, with an M3U URL for your IPTV. So it converts your streams automatically and your personal media on the fly, so you can watch it on any device anywhere. With Emby Connect, you can get your entire library wherever you are away from home. Just sign in and play, and it works like a great DVR with your IPTV. Let's see what else handles live TV.
Have you pointed it at your Plex library to see how it ingests that?
And
okay,
man, is it fast! It doesn't hiccup in the least. I grabbed all my Plex stuff from it as well.
Yeah.
I haven't tried to record. I could play with that, but I don't need to. I've already got it recorded. It's in my Plex library.
It's there. Yeah.
So, but you can sync your media. You can download it for offline viewing. So if you're going to be in the air and don't want to stream it over Wi-Fi, you could do that. You can cast a Chromecast or stream to any DLNA, that's Digital Living Network Alliance device. And it gives you all kinds of flexibility and control in a powerful way. $4.99 a month.
Okay. Yeah.
$54 a year, or $119 for life, which is cheaper now than Plex. Didn't used to be. Plex was cheaper than that, but as of now, $119 for life subscription. I bought $4.99 just to try it out, and in about 3 days, it's going to expire, and I'm going to drop $119 on it. I'm that happy with it.
Well, I'm curious to see if this will replace Plex for you. I know it has for a lot of people. That it definitely shows up as the Plex replacement for people that want to do slightly nerdier things, which is exactly what you're describing, right?
Yep.
In that crowd, Emby gets a lot of love.